10 Most Mysterious Lost Books in History. Throughout history, some books have changed civilizations, and others have vanished before we could ever read them. Lost to fire, forbidden by rulers, or hidden in time, these mysterious works may hold secrets that could rewrite human knowledge. Join us as we uncover 10 of the most mysterious lost books in history. Number 1. The Book of Thoth, Egyptian Mythology. Said to have been written by the Egyptian god of wisdom, Thoth, this legendary book was believed to give the reader power over the earth, the sea, and even the gods themselves. Priests claimed it contained magical knowledge, so dangerous that it was buried forever. Some say fragments survive, hidden in ancient temple ruins. Number 2. The Sibylline Books, Ancient Rome. The Sibylline books were prophetic scrolls consulted by Roman emperors in times of crisis. Guarded in the Temple of Jupiter for centuries, they mysteriously burned in 83 BCE. Despite attempts to recreate them, their full contents vanished, along with Rome's greatest prophecies. Number 3. The Library of Alexandria's Lost Scrolls. Once the greatest repository of human knowledge, the Library of Alexandria held thousands of works from Greece, Egypt, Persia, and India. Fires, wars, and time erased most of them, including works by Aristotle, Euclid, and countless unknown thinkers. Each scroll lost there represents a chapter of history we'll never read. Number 4. Aristotle's Second Book of Poetics. Aristotle's surviving Poetics focuses on tragedy, but ancient writers mentioned a second book, on comedy. If found, it might reveal how laughter, irony, and satire were understood in classical philosophy. Today, only whispers of it remain. Number 5. The Gospel of the Hebrews. Among early Christian writings, one stands out as especially elusive, the Gospel of the Hebrews. Quoted by early church fathers, it may have offered a different view of Christ's teachings. All copies were destroyed or lost, leaving historians guessing at what it contained. Number 6. The Book of the Wars of the Lord, Biblical Reference. Mentioned briefly in the Old Testament, this lost text supposedly described Israel's early battles. Its absence raises questions. Was it myth, history, or something else entirely? Only the name survives, like a ghost of scripture. Number 7. The Codex Gigas, the Missing Pages. Known as the Devil's Bible, this massive medieval manuscript contains the entire Vulgate Bible, but several pages are missing. Some believe they held dark rituals or forbidden texts that monks deliberately removed. The mystery endures, locked within its illuminated pages. Number 8. Shakespeare's Lost Plays. More than a dozen plays by William Shakespeare are missing, including Love's Labour's one. Contemporary records prove they existed, but no copies survive. If found, they could reveal new sides of the world's greatest playwright. Number 9. The Hypnerotomachia Polyphili Manuscript, Missing Drafts. One of the Renaissance's strangest and most beautiful books, Hypnerotomachia Polyphili is filled with coded messages and symbolism. Scholars believe earlier drafts contained even more secret meanings, now completely lost. Number 10. The Voynich Manuscript, Unreadable Mystery. Found in the early 1900s, this illustrated book is written in an unknown script that no one can decipher. Some say it's a hoax. Others believe it holds alchemical or extraterrestrial secrets. It's the only lost book we still hold, but cannot read. Each of these lost books reminds us how fragile human knowledge can be. What wisdom have we lost to time, and what might still be hidden, waiting to be found? Subscribe to uncover more forgotten histories and untold stories of the world's lost knowledge.